Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to put your SIM card and memory card into Samsung Galaxy S10. So let's do it. So to do that, first you need to extract your pin from the box. And this is the pin. Just remove this. And now just insert this pin into this hole and push it like this. Remove the slot. Okay. And this is how it looks. You can put here the first SIM card. And here the second SIM card. Like this. I hope you see it. Okay. And put it in your phone. Okay, and to remove, just push again with this pin this hole. Be careful. And to put a memory card inside, just remove the second SIM and put your memory card here like this. I hope you see it. And now put it again into your phone. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.